Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, beautiful lady. What is your name?
My name is Nkem. Nkema Konam.
Nkema Konam. Such a beautiful name. Are you a maiden from this kingdom?
Yes, my prince. My father is late Mazugo. My mother is Nkechugo.
I see. I am sorry about your father's death. I heard about it, but then I was still a boy.
It's okay, my prince. Please, I beg to take my leave, my prince.
Your plea is granted. Did you see that? Gods of our land, speak to me! Speak to me! For the line of Amumisaku is in disarray. Unveil to me thy mysteries, gods of justice. Hear my cry.
Oh my gods! My fowls are dead! What will I do? Oh! Ghosts of our land! Where have we gone wrong? What have we done to deserve all these calamities? No! Where will I run to? Where will I turn? Diego must hear this.
Hey, Ugo, I don't understand again what is happening in this our life.
If you ask me, who will I ask? Something needs to be done before we end up starving to death.
May God forbid.
Ise,
Let's go and beg.
Hey! What is happening here? Chilikili. My crops. Hey! I'm finished. Gods of our land. What is the meaning of this? How do I feed my family? gods of our land. What have I done to deserve this? How do I feed my family? The Igwe must hear this. The Igwe must hear this. There must be an explanation. As you can see right now, I am not in the right state of mind to speak with anybody. I am very angry.
Teyo, tell me. I'm your friend, tell me.
Choma, you can't believe what my eyes just saw. I am coming from my farm only to find the whole of my crops withered.
Hey, wait.
Choma, what is the meaning of this? How can we feed in this town? Igwe has to explain something to us.
Calm down! Listen to me. This is the problem. Are you hearing me? Now we have to do something. Either you tell Igwe, hey! You will come back to your farm and you discover that all your crops will and die! Just like that!
I am going to Igwe's palace right away! I cannot take this anymore! Hey! So what are you going to do?
Indeed, the gods are with us. The gods are really for us. Praise be to the gods.
Hey!
Igwe, this is serious and something has to be done, and done very fast. Elders, what else can we do? Since the gods have decided to be silent over the issues of this kingdom, what else?
We need the presence of SMO here. Yes. Let him come and tell us what is really happening. The sign we saw today is not an ordinary one. It is a very bad omen.
Bad omen. It's very bad.
Hey!
Guard! Guard! Yes, Your Honor. Go at once and call the SMO. Tell him that his presence is needed in the palace. Now, go! Hey!
Igwe!
What is it?
Igwe! Hey!
What is it? Why are you shouting? Hey, why are you shouting with him? If you have anything to say, we are all ears. Talk now.
Not again.
Eyes have seen my legs of the gods forsaking us.
Ikemba, what is it? Can somebody talk to us?
Igwe! All my crops are free. I went to my farm this morning to harvest cassava and find out that all my crops are free.
Hey!
Igwe! Hey!
Igwe! I woke up this morning and found out that all my animals have died. Igwe, why all this happening to us? Yes.
What is going on?
Oh, the gods forsaking us.
It's okay. Listen to me, all of you. It's okay. Igwe had just sent for Ezemo and he's on his way now. We shall reason together and we'll get back to you. Please, meanwhile, calm down and go home.
You must stop, you know. We should better decide, you know. Hey!
This is serious. How can it be possible? Igwe, why will the gods ask you to go to Iyurash for 3 nights?
The gods decree that you must go to Iyurash alone and plead on behalf of this kingdom for 3 nights.
Igwe, that not happen. Something else must be done. Let Ezemo consult the gods again.
I don't think it is advisable for you to go to Iyurash all alone at night. Something else must be done. Let Ezemo reconsult the god.
How are you?
I'm fine, my friends. But you scared me. You never told me you were coming to my house. Besides, who showed you the way to my hut?
My God here brought me here. I know you will be surprised at my visitation.
I am indeed surprised, my friends.
Well, I am sorry for coming without letting you know. I only came to check on you and to know where you live.
I just hope everything is fine, my prince. I hope there's no problem.
Everything is fine. Okay. Can I have a royal discussion with you?
Royal discussion?
The gods decree that you must go to Iyurash alone and plead on behalf of this kingdom for 3 nights.
Okay. There is something I want to tell you. Since that first day I saw you along the road path, I have not been able to sleep. All I think is you. Okay. I desire to have you as my wife.
Please, stop flattering me, my prince. I cannot stand the words that is coming out from your mouth. Besides, how were you able to know the special name that my mother calls me?
I am the prince of this kingdom. Whatever I desire, I have.
Nne, let me even ask you. Did the Igwe go to the Milo Rash as he was instructed?
Why are you asking?
Are you not one of the palace maids? Tell me now. It's me, oh. Tell me, I want to know.
Nne.
Can you see anybody?
Nne, come. I overheard Igwe talking to himself yesterday night that he will not go for that mission. And again, he said that mission is impossible. Come. Did you see me around this environment?
Wait.
I am going. My mother sent for me.
Hey!
Son of a Gadina! the Lord King of Omumisaku Kingdom. How dare you disobey the gods? How dare you invoke the anger of the gods? The gods are angry. The gods are angry.
What is it? What is all this color? Hey! Arasia! Chukwemeka! Hey! Hey! What have I done? Chukwemeka! Chukwemeka! Hey! Ah! Chukwemeka! Hey! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Yeah! No! Stop! Stop it! Chukwemeka! Chukwemeka! Stop this!
Afam. Never can I know. Afam. Hey, Afam. Afam. Telephone. Afam. Afam. Hey, what time is position? Afam. Afam, telephone. What happened?
Igwe! 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 Igwe, I'm finished. Igwe, the ghost has forsaken me.
Hey, woman, what happened? And why is your son battered like this?
My elders, I woke up this morning. I saw my son dead like this. Igwe, I'm finished. Why my own is different? Igwe! Igwe, I want to die. I want to die. Where's my son?
Can you hold yourself and explain to us what happened? Obinna and Nkem, tell us what happened.
Oh no, we heard her screaming. As we ran to know what is happening, we discovered her carrying her saw with black ball all over his body. That's what is happening.
What's happening? You can't even you!
Have you seen what happened to my son? Have you seen? Hey! See my son? Look at me. You're one of us in this company. You dare not talk to me like that.
Oh no!
I said, man, will I see your mouth? Can't you see my son? If it happens to be your son, will you keep silent? Will you hold it? Shut up, your mouth! How dare you talk to me like that?
Please, my elders, let us be matured.
No,
let us be matured. We need to find the solution to our problem.
What is going on in my kingdom?
We need to find a solution.
Is there more?
Hey! What solution do you seek when the solution lies before you here? What solution?
Not even you, Lolo.
Igwe, our son is dying. Come and do something. What have I done that the gods have forsaken me like this?
What is this?
My priest!
What is this?
My priest!
No one stop! What is this?
It is only the fool that thinks that the gods are crazy. The gods are never crazy. The gods can never be crazy. And the gods can never abandon its people.
The eyes of the gods of our kingdom
What must we do to avert future occurrences? As you can see, we are perishing. Our children are dying. Behold the prince of this kingdom.
It is only the stubborn fly that follows the carcass to the grave. The gods spoke, but we were ignorant.
Please at because on our behalf, we must not perish. Hey! Because of our life. Why must we be here? Why must we be watching them be consumed? Hey! The mouthpiece of the gods of Onisha. The eyelid of the gods.
Elders of Omoma Isako Kingdom, what brings you to the great Rasi Shrine?
The mouthpiece of the gods of Omniscia. The eyelids of the gods. As you can see, the situation is critical. Immediate solution is necessary. What must we do to stop these calamities from overtaking the kingdom?
The gods spoke, but their words were ignored. The gods are angry.
There's more. The eyes of the gods. Is no hope lost? No possibility of appeasement? Please, plead on our behalf. We beg you.
There must be a ceremony of plea this time around. This is to be done in order to cleanse, to purify the whole land of Omoma Isako Kingdom. This is to avert the sudden illness that the gods unleashed upon the first sons of Omoma Isako Kingdom. And until this is done, until the perfect purification is achieved, the gods will never reveal the solution to our problems. The gods have spoken again. The gods have spoken again. Now go. Oh, but there is no time for this message to be ignored.
Ceremony of
What have I done? I'm ashamed of myself. Why can't I carry out instructions of the gods? There was a problem befalling us until when the gods brought a solution, but I ignored it. And now another one has been added onto it, all because of my stubbornness. What was I thinking? I pray they come back with a solution. Iyorashi, I plead you, I plead for your mercy, for I know that I have wronged you. I'm not worthy to be called a king. A king that cannot protect his own people is never a king. Forgive me, gods of our land, for I was weak in thought. I beg in the name of my great forefathers, Ozurumbadikora, and my late father, Ozomedikora. Don't forsake the kingdom over my weakness towards your instructions.
Igwe! Oh no! Igwe. That is something we must do.
Is that so?
Yes!
Have Ezemo spoken?
Yes, something we must do.
What is it? Ezemo said.
Something we must do, Igwe!
The time has come! The time has come! The time is now!
that shall never end. Nyoma, indeed the gods are angry with us. All because of the ignorance and the stubbornness of the Igwe.
Ojugo. Ojugo, shut up your mouth. I forbid you for saying this. Ojugo, are you not afraid? Look at what you are saying. Don't you know the trees has ears?
What do you want me to say? Is it not true? It's not because of the Igwe ignorance that makes the ceremony of purification is being taking place. All thanks to Ezemo. Is indeed a brave man.
Ojugo, Ojugo, I am leaving you. I am leaving you because I don't want the wrath of the cause to befall me. I see that all you use this your mouth to do is to speak evil. I am leaving.
Hey. What is wrong for me to tell my friend the truth again? Oh, Nyoma Bia. Nyoma, wait for me now. Wait for me now. I'm just saying my own now. I was saying what I heard, that's all. Hey.
The time of purification begins. Your Highness, please come forward. Ancestors, gods of our land, we have come to perform that which you require of us. We know we have wronged you, so please accept our sacrifice and forgive your children.
Just like I said before, we have to wait for him to come.
Yes, I think you can have a point. I agree with you. And besides, Ezemo is not the type that does not keep appointments. He must be here.
All of you have a point. Have a point. Oh, here he comes.
Igwe Okagu Dikora Ozuome, the great son of Ozurumba Dikora Ozuome from Mama Isaku Kingdom. I greet you. I greet you. May your days be long. Elders from Mama Isaku Kingdom, I greet you as well.
Ezemo, you're welcome.
The mouthpiece of the gods of Indonesia. You are welcome.
Ezemo, we invited you here so that we can know the way out of this land's influence.
Igwe Okagu Dikora Ozuome. There was meant to be a ceremony of plea, so as to cleanse this land. But that was neglected. That was neglected. And the gods got angry. Now the gods have spoken again. The gods have spoken again. That we must go to Dikenafa. Huh? We must go to Dikenafa to locate Abarauto, the Ebuweje Chagu of Dikenafa.
Ezemo, how do you mean? Do you understand what you're talking about? Going as far as Dikenafa. Do you know Abarudo? A very dangerous DB at that. And a journey of several days. Hey!
Oh no! I greet you once again.
Hey.
This is not my making, but that of the gods. We must go to Abarudo. We must go to Abarudo, the Ebubeje Chagu of Dikenafa. Until then, we must know the next step to take. These are the words of the gods.
Hey, Ichokano, Igwe, do you know what this has resulted to? Going as far as Odikarafa to locate Abarudo, a very dangerous dibia. Look, nobody goes to you unless in cases of disaster and trouble.
Let's rest here until tomorrow. It's getting late.
This show is safe.
So don't be scared. So you are here. I've been looking for you. Elbe, my sister, haven't you heard? Heard what? That the Azumu went to meet the king, and they had a discussion with his cabinet member, telling them that he foresaw the future.
Cause of our land. So that means he knows what tomorrow is going to be. Yeah. Hey, cause of our land.
Igwe, no. My elders, no. I say na anu gba ajo so ogbakiri ajeme. I think
we have to invite the Ezemumo this time around.
Yes, Igwe. So that what happened to us the last time we ignored the gods won't repeat.
Okay. It's alright. My elders, all of you have spoken well. Ichi and Kume and Ono, two of you have to accompany Ezemo to make the journey to Dikanafai.
We will do as you just said. Ichi and Kume, hello. One time, let's be on our way.
May the gods be with you.
I really enjoyed my stay with your mother.
And I appreciate your presence, my prince.
Well, my joy, I came just as I promised. But I'll be on my way now.
I wish I'll miss you.
And I'll miss you too. But I brought a gift for you.
My friends, you got me royal gifts.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate. May the gods guide you.
Alright,
I'll see you. Bye bye.
Unoma, bia, come and see. Look at all the yam in our farm are spoiled. Hey!
Gods of our land, what is this? What is happening to us? Gods of Etiko, what have we done?
Igwe, I went to my farmland to harvest
crops, but there was nothing remaining for me to harvest.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Igwe, the remaining yam that I wanted to harvest for my farmland, when I went there was nothing for me to harvest, Igwe.
Okay.
Yes, Igwe.
Please return to your hut while we await the solution. Please.
Thank you, Igwe. May you live long.
We will pray the gods to lead them to the Kenafar in peace.
He said,
What have we done? Is it a crime that we are orphans? The little family give it to us by our parents. Cannot even pay food for us to eat. Cut of our land. How long will this keep happening? Cause of a mercy kingdom. How long? How long will this keep happening?
Norma, my friend. My eyes have seen my ears. In my handful. Do you know the people I saw? Norma, I saw Ezemo, No, and Iche Nkume heading to no other place but to Deacon and Fire. Norma, now you see I was right. Norma, I don't want to talk to you. Norma, why are you crying? Forgive me. Norma, forgive me.
Ask the constant question.
The gods of Messiah Kingdom. What have we done to deserve this? Stop crying.
Igwe, that is how it happened. My sister and I have nothing to eat.
Odika,
Your Highness.
Go inside and bring me some food items.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ikenna, let Mazio Kompo's son go with him and give you those food items. Console your sister, for in no distant time, the land of Omisa Kingdom shall be fruitful again. You may go.
Thank you, Your Highness.
May the gods bless you. May they continue to bless you.
get to Abarudo, the Ebubeje Chago of Dikenafa.
Great one. The one you seek is a very great leader in this land. And no one seek his face except there's trouble in this land. But great one, if I may ask, why do you wish to seek his face?
But the distance between the eyes and the nose could be very close, but still remains unknown to the profane. Just leave me. Take us there. Please take us there.
Okay. If you wish, let us go.
At least for now, we have some food to eat.
Please listen to your brother. We all are into this together. All we should be praying for is for Ezimo and others to come back with a solution. Stop crying.
We'll find it right. Stop crying.
Okay.
Please, great one, and elders of our land, that is the shrine. Please, I'm sorry, for I can't go further. Please, I think I have to go. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go. Great Tibia Baruto, the Ebubeje Chago of Dikenafa, the one that dines with the gods, the one that sees beyond the surface of the earth, the solution finder. Nkem Gaga Nogu, I am Abara. Abara Mwilo, the mouthpiece of the gods of Amuma Isako Kingdom, the son of your friend, Udwemwilo. Please, Abarudo, show your face. Show your face that we will have solution to our problems. Of course, you know why we are here. Show your face that we will have solution to our problems.
I am the half spirit, half human. You remind me of my good friend, your father, Udemwilo, the great man. It was long time ago. I knew that a day like this would come. I knew.
Greetings, great Abarudo.
Greetings,
great Abarudo.
It all happened long time ago.
Woman, what did you say happened?
Igwe, is that evil daughter of Uremma?
What she just said, is it true or not?
Papa, it's not true. My daughter is not a witch.
She's a witch.
Eh? So, you don't have fear anymore. Igwe is talking and you are talking. You see? You see how you are being brought up from your parents' house because you got married. Now, okay. Now, was it? Everyone had talking. Maybe you're going to look at Igwe. Obiago, tell me what actually happened.
Igwe, as I was coming back from where I went to tap my palm wine, as usual, Olu, Mazin Nabugo's daughter, attacked me. What is good about the no? I don't want to little witch. You little witch! What have they done to me? You come here! Come here! Okay, I'm not that. My calabash! My palm wine! Oh, this girl, you must hear this. So, that is what happened though. She attacked me, broke my calabash, and poured all my drink.
Oh. Did you hear what he said?
Igwe, my daughter is innocent. My daughter is a gift from the gods to my family, even to the entire kingdom.
Shut up, shut up, that's your dirty mouth. How dare you call that thing your daughter of the gods?
Can you hear Ichio Jarike cursing my family? Making abuses on my daughter. Ichio Jarike.
Hey, you are calling that name Ojadike? Me? How dare you? Who gave you that audacity? The impetus to mention my name? My name? Igwe. Okay, Igwe. You all can go home. Let me have a word in my house.
Hello, ma. Hello. Nine, please come.
I told you, don't worry. There is something special about that girl. She's a gift, special gift from the gods.
Tonight, we have to do something. What are we going to do about this?
There's nothing to do. There's nothing to do. Don't worry. I've told you. There's something special about that. The gods knows of that. Huh? I have to go out. You see, rain is falling. I can't stand on the road.
Are you okay? Are you sure? Let's go inside.
How dare you? How dare you, mortal, curse a child whom I have blessed?
My house is burning! Fire! My house!
Odoe Wilo,
Igwe.
the mouthpiece of Omumaisiako. What has the gods to say over this issue?
Your Highness, the gods do not take their own, and we must not question them for their doings.
The mouthpiece of God. Are you saying that is the daughter of the gods, or is the god that destroyed my place, set it ablaze? Huh? Igwe, this is conspiracy. Yes.
Igwe, I live for a 3-day journey to the hills of Iyulat of Omumaisiako, there to consult and communicate with the gods. As you know, today marks the beginning of the full moon. Igwe, our tradition must be respected. I will see you when I come back. May the gods protect and guide you along. Hey!
How peace of the gods.
Hey! Hey! Igwe, I move. Igwe, for the journey of you Lord. Hey! 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 And the gods keep you. Here, come back.
How dare you challenge the mouthpiece of the
I am not challenging the mouthpiece of the gods. I am not challenging it. How can I challenge the gods? Huh? The gods, like Ezemo said, will not destroy his own. Then how then will the gods destroy my heart and say then leave me homeless? Huh? Igwe, I must see the root of this.
Igwe, I invited the soothsayer for her to explain to you the meaning of your dream. So, tell her.
It happened in
So I woke up from my dream. This is strange.
Igwe, I said it. I said it. But Ishenduka insisted that we should forget about it. Have you seen it?
This is the moist one. So what do we do?
That is why I invited the stranger, Soothsayer, to tell us what to do.
She's here.
Young woman, what has the gods to say? What do you think?
Your Highness, that you see is not ordinary. It is a revelation from the gods. If what has to be done is not done within 2 days, I repeat, 2 days, you shall die.
Hey! Biko, tell us what to do. I don't want my Igwe to die, eh? Hey! Hey! Igwe, you can never die.
Hey! Not until the family of Nnahugo is wiped out. By burying them alive and banishing Allah from this land. Then shall this land know peace. Sorrow awaits this great kingdom of Umaisia. The family of Nnahugo must not exist if this land was no peace.
Let the will of the gods be done.
Story of lion and the tortoise.
Nah, has she eaten?
See them here!
Iche!
Take them! Don't shame me, don't shame me!
Iche, what's going on?
Yes.
Take them! Take them! They are evil. Yes. If this land must know peace. This is the message from the gods. Take them!
Go where? Go where?
Guys, my daughter alone!
Come on!
My daughter!
What is it?
Where
are you taking her? Where are you taking my daughter? Where are you taking my daughter? What is it? What is it? Move! What is happening? Move! It's your daughter! Move! Somebody tell me what is happening. Stop pushing me.
Leave my daughter!
Move!
See, listen, hey, they must be buried alive. Throw them inside. What is our crime? What is our They must be buried alive. Put them inside there. What do we do? What is our crime? What is our crime? I cause your generations yet unborn. There shall be hunger and famine in the whole of Umwabisia. Now and forever. You people shall suffer it. So shall it be.
As my husband has spoken, so shall it remain. The generation should come who be the ones to suffer this. It shall never be well with this generation. It shall never be well with the next generation to come.
Cover them!
All of my daughters.
Cover them up. This is kind of wickedness.
Because it's with you.
This is wickedness in highest order. Cover them! You be first about it. You are killing innocent family. You people shall suffer it. You shall suffer it.
Oh, we thank you. We thank you, the gods of Omumisia. We thank you for receiving our sacrifice. We thank you for the good things you've been doing for us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for caring and protecting us. Thank you.
Father, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Your Highness, what have you done? The decision you took by the knowledge of Ichie Ojadike has defied the land.
After burying Nabubu and the wife alive, only the witch casted a very big spell on us. Because I'm talking to you, Ichie Ojadike and the Soothsayer is dead. Along with some other villagers. I just managed to escape.
Hey! Hey! Listen to it. I What you heard is true. There has been a conspiracy among us. Ichio Jadike and a witch soothsayer has bewitched the king using the face of Nabugu and the wife and all to manipulate his dream. Igwe, you have killed innocent souls. You have harmed the God's own. Igwe.
The mouthpiece of the gods. What can we do now?
Nothing! Nothing can be done to avert that which has been done. The glory, the sacred horn of Amumisiak have left the kingdom. Hey! Nothing can be done, Ibe. Nothing can be done.
That was how Mumisiak lost their pride. The sacred horn left and never came back till now. Yes, your father's sacrifices to the gods from the king and the villagers were all in vain, all to no avail. There came a mighty wind, a great wind of famine. Dead crops were littered everywhere. Tears ruled the land. Your father came so bothered, so bothered. What was happening in the land. He made a decision and headed to the sacred hill of Iyorase. Yeah. And then he became very angry with the gods. The gods struck him. Oh! That was the last I set my eye on that great son of Misako. Oh, they will. That was the last I set my eye on him. Yeah, that great man of all Mimisiako. Oh! But his death brought back mercy to their generation. Yes.
The Abusibautuni, the great Abaruto, May you live long. I greet you again. And if I may ask, why then do we suffer the cost if his death brought back restoration?
The ways of the gods are mysterious. The cause was meant for the present generation. No one can or ever question the gods.
Great Abarudo, if I may ask, what then happened to Olo?
Olo wandered into the forest. Into the deepest part of the forest, she wandered. A hunter found her lying helplessly and lifelessly. He helped her. And as I speak with you, Olo is in safe hands with the gods. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men.
Greetings, great Abarudo. What then is the solution to our problem?
Olo is a solution. She is the solution to the problem of Umamisiako Kingdom.
Greetings once again, the great one. Where then and how can we find her?
Here! The boundary between Tweke and Isiakanesi. There lives Ojadele the hunter. There you will find Olo. Go! Go! As the gods lead you. Go!
My king, the food is ready, sir.
Go.
My king, the queen. Okay, sir, king.
My king, what is the problem? I asked my chief maiden to come and tell you that the meal was ready, and she said you ignored her. Please now, my husband, what is it? Try and eat something. I know they will come back with quick response.
I can't eat anything. My stomach is closed. My mouth is tied. Leave me alone. I want to be left alone.
Please, I'm begging you. Even if it's a little, just come and eat, please.
Lola, you may leave.
Ezemo. As you can see, I am tired. I don't think I can continue this journey. And besides, the weather is changing. It's getting late.
Yes, Ono is right. I'm tired also.
The difference between the night and the day is same as the distance between the hill and the valley.
Please, let's get somewhere and sleep.
Margaret, you are very what you go very lazy. Break this thing.
Mama, any news from Ezemo and the elders?
Oju, Biko. I don't know. This your Ezemo and elders news. I'm not interested though. Cut me out of it. I don't know. Break your elders for me.
Meromiho John Kita. Have I done anything wrong by asking you if Ezemo and the elders are bad?
Mama is right.
Don't mind how.
Mama, I was just trying to ask
you. Shut up! Won't you mind your business? Must you put mouth into people's affairs? Eh? Bianwa, nekwagi. Ala putakanamu. Nekwabo. Aji adi okya, nke di adi akpopomi akpo.
Look at what you have caused now. Look at what you have caused now.
What's that? Elders, Ezemo, Ojugo. Take your time. Come and break your firewood. Oh, no, you don't have strength to break firewood. Oh, you know how to talk. Come and break the wood. Lazy girl.
This place looks as if nobody lives here.
Who is in this house? We come in peace!
I am here, men of Omomeshaku Kingdom.
The gods be with you.
Greetings, mouthpiece of Omomeshaku Kingdom.
Greetings, Ojadele.
How come you know who we are and where we come from?
I don't know. Must you know everything? Don't you see he looks mysterious?
My elders, I knew a day like this would come. A long-awaited moment.
How do you manage to know who we are and why we are here?
Agbarudo visited my hut long time ago and said to me that the three will come in search of Olo.
What do you mean by the three?
Three means us.
Yes, you are right. When I asked him what he meant by the three, he said that the three men from Omomeshaku Kingdom will come in search of Olo.
So, what we seek for? Olo?
Yes. Who am I to question the gods? Olo awaits your coming.
Indeed, ways of the gods are mysterious.
It is raining. It's like the gods have answered our prayers.
May the gods be praised.
He said,
may the gods be praised.
He said,
yeah.
It's raining though. Yes, it's raining. The gods have answered our prayer. The gods are wide. Hey, let's go.
Ezemo, how is the daughter of the gods faring?
She is very, very, very well, Your Highness.
The mouthpiece of the gods. Has the gods spoken?
Yes. The gods have spoken. And that is why I am here, Your Highness.
Good.
The gods demand that a few selected ones shall go for the search.
Ezemo, in search of what again? I know that Olo is here now. And the land has been restored back again. What are we still searching for?
The horn of restoration must be returned. It must be revived. Failing which, the land of Omumaisaku shall never be fruitful and peaceful again.
The eyes of the gods.
The gods have chosen Adaku, the daughter of Onowu.
That can't be true.
Nkem Dirim, the daughter of Okando. Nkem, the daughter of Nkume. Ebube, your son, the prince. And Ochoma the hunter. They will all be led by Olamiri.
But Ezemo, you know as well as I do that there is a mix-up. Yes, definitely there is a mix-up.
Ezemo.
Huh?
Are you joking? I know you are joking because everybody knows that Nkem is my only child. My only.
Ezemo, we just returned from a tax. Why my daughter? Please, Ezemo, beg the gods to change their mind. Please.
These are the wishes and decisions of the gods, and not mine. Doubt it, disobey it, and you face the wrath of the gods. All of you. All of you!
Hey!
If you want to tell me something, tell me now or else I want to go. I heard that the SMO has selected some few people to go for research. Ojugo, Bia, let me ask you something. Where do you get your information from? We are friends and we are always together. Ojugo, tell me, where do you get your information from? I don't know. I don't know. For all I know is that I get my information and they are all genuine. Ojugo! Ojugo, how many times did I call you? Ojugo is my name. Yes. Yeah, I want to ask you something. Is the Ezemo your father? Hey! May the gods forbid. Nyama, why would you say that? How can you say that the Ezemo is my father? Shut up your mouth. Huh? Don't you know the tree has ears? Ojugo, I'm going. Hey. Nyama, please wait for me now. Wait for me, oh. Ha.
Stop crying. Crying won't solve it. I tried everything I could to see that you were exploded, but to no avail. Because one,
Papa, I can't go. I won't go. What do they want me to go and die?
Oh, no.
Mama is not even around. Papa, I can't go. I can't.
So you've lost faith in the gods? The gods are always wise. Because in it, you are protected. They will see you through. They will make sure that all of you go and come back safely. This thing of the gods, it's not going to make you. So once the hand of the gods is there, believe, you ought to believe also that you will come back and it will happen to you. Trust the gods.
Adako, my daughter. Yes, Papa. The pride of our father. Aye. May the gods be with you as you go in search of the mystic hall. And may they bring you back to me in safety and peace.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, I know the gods are with me and they will bring us back safely alive with the secret home.
Good! That's the daughter of her father. As brave as her father.
My daughter, please stop crying. I know that the ghosts of our land will be with you. Huh? Look at this. Huh? Look, you are the only one we have. Huh? Your mother, who is my wife, died long time ago. And you are the only mother and wife we have. Huh?
Please, Nne, don't cry. I am here. I know the gods has chosen me. And that means the gods has reason. And he will guide you. Yes. So, Nne, don't cry.
Huh? It's okay. Your Highness, you worry too much. The gods that has chosen me will see me through. We will go and come back with the secret home. You are the heir apparent. I know that, Father. That is why I am worried. Why didn't the gods choose another person in your place? The gods, Your Highness, they have a reason for choosing me. And we cannot disobey them.
Your Highness, greetings.
Greetings, Father, I shall be in my chambers. Shall be well with you, my son. Shall be well with you.
Tell me it's not true, my prince. Tell me those girls are lying to me. Tell me it's not true.
us allow the gods have their way. We cannot question the gods. Else they will place a curse on us. Yes, I am part of the search team.
Why would the gods choose you? Tell me! Why would they choose someone else? What if something happens to you, my prince? What will I do? What becomes of me? What becomes of me, my
Stop this, Nkem! Stop it! The gods will protect me. I promise you I will be back.
I don't want you to go.
Please, we cannot fight this, okay? Sorry, I have to leave now.
What is it this time? What is it? Come and see for yourself. Come, let's go. Let's go. Wait. Like she's out. Did she see us? Are you asking me? You asking me? I should be asking you. Are you the one that knows it all? Okay, Jamara. It's like she's also. Hey, let's go.
Protect you. Follow and bless you through and through this journey. Remember, your return attracts great gift from the gods. Okay, now follow me to the shrine for the final fortification. Up! Nothing is real in the forest about entry. nothing from anyone. I eat nothing in the forest. Not even the fruits in the forest, for they are not real. They may come in the form of your loved ones, the closest ones, but ignore them and forge ahead. For nothing is real in the land of the dead. Go and return in peace. Thou art guided by the gods. Go! What's going on? What are you looking at?
Run!
Run! No! No!
Where did that sound come from?
Have you forgotten where you are? Why are you having asked such questions?
Hey, Bupe. Why are you acting as if you don't remember all that Ezemo said? Can you people just stop arguing?
Honestly, I'm scared.
And let's concentrate on what brought us here. We need to leave this place.
Now. Are we still going?
Let's go.
Still going.
Gods of our land, please help me protect my daughter. Urash knows that she's all I have. Ufunguranya, Jizungo.
Yorashi, the gods of Omoishaku kingdom, I hope they are still in safe hands.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings.
Your Highness, the Queen is in her chambers. She is crying. She said that I should ask you, hope Ebube the Prince is safe.
Go and tell her that my son the Prince is in safe hands.
Okay, my Highness.
Honey, how am I going to explain this to my wife when she comes back from her paternal home? Hey, what can I do? She's in one almighty trouble if anything happens to her daughter. Who am I to question? Who am I? Who am I? I beg you, bring back my daughter safely.
Papa, the food is ready.
I'm not.
For the past 2 days, you have not eaten anything. Papa, Papa, don't worry, my sister will come back.
Keep going! Keep going! Surely victory shall be yours. Go and bring back the sacred horn.
true.